Hi, I'm Simon. Today we're going to show you how to test and replace the main PCB on your LG dishwasher. If you're experiencing symptoms like dishwasher not starting, no LEDs on the control panel, you might need to take a closer look at this part. Before we get going, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more straightforward and supportive appliance repair guides. Let's jump right in. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you to do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. For this job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver, a flat blade screwdriver, and a multimeter. Also, please remember that safety comes first. Don't forget to unplug your dishwasher or turn the breaker off. And just to be on the safe side, turn the water supply off. The main PCB is located at the bottom right side of the dishwasher. It controls all of the major functions of the dishwasher, including the power supply to the display control panel. In case the control panel is not lighting up, we need to check the wall outlet by plugging in any small appliance. Reset the breakers if needed. To get to the PCB, we need to pull the dishwasher out. Open the door and locate two mounting brackets at the top. Remove two Phillips screws from the brackets and pull the dishwasher out and turn it to the left to expose the main PCB. Using the flat blade screwdriver, release two clips and pry the PCB up and out. Turn it over and place it down. Unscrew the Phillips screw and remove the metal cover. Plug the dishwasher in. Observe the red LED light at the PCB. If it's on, the control is getting power. If the LED is out, use the multimeter to test the power input. One of the best tools that you can have in your toolbox is a multimeter, and we would love to show you how this device works and how you can benefit from using it. Check out the video in the description. Extreme care should always be taken to protect against electric shock, which could potentially result in serious injury. Please do not test live voltage if you are uncomfortable using a multimeter around live voltage. With the dishwasher unplugged, locate the 10-pin connector. Set the meter to read volts DC. Insert the probes in black and orange pins and plug the dishwasher in. Press the power button. You should read 10 to 11 volts DC. Next, check voltage between red and orange wire pins, and you should have near 16 volt DC. And the last position is between violet and the gray wires. The proper voltage should be between 4 and 5 volts DC. The correct voltage in all measurements we just did prove that the main PCB is good. We already had the PCB out, and all we need to do is disconnect it from the harness. Remove all the plugs one by one. Don't worry, you can't mix them up, they are all different. To be on the safe side, snap a few pictures. Untie the white wire and pull it out. Here's the old PCB and here's the new one. If you have already got one, great. If not, you can pick up one at AppliancePartsPros.com. Slide in that white thin wire and tie it up so it wouldn't go anywhere. Connect all the plugs. Don't rush, take your time. Install the metal cover and secure it with a single Phillips screw. Slide the PCB in cutouts and push it down to lock the side tabs. Install the dishwasher under the counter. Then, using the Phillips screwdriver, secure the dishwasher to the counter with a couple of screws. Plug the dishwasher in, make sure water is open, and load it up. Great job tackling the main PCB replacement on your LG dishwasher. We would love to hear about your experience, so feel free to share how your repair went in the comments below. If you still need a replacement PCB or other parts, just have your model number ready and visit AppliancePartsPros.com. Most orders arrive within a couple of days. Thank you for trusting us to guide you, and we'll look forward to supporting you with your next repair project.